TEEMERRYCA black leather dog collar with gold spikes for boy small medium large pets. Pit bull/bulldog. Keep dogs safe from grabbing by huge dogs. L. 15.7-18.5/40 cm to 47 cm. Black leather spiked collars for male dogs. Durable studded dog collar is made of good quality PU microfiber leather and gold spikes. Your pet will love his new necklace and parrot around showing it off. He will be a big hit. Awesome collar. And makes your puppy look like a little badass. Absolutely, you will get lots of compliments on it. Gives them an added protection during dogs' war playtime. The spikes are not overly sharp, so it doesn't hurt your pet's skin, and the studs could prevent your animal destroying the collar. It's great for small to medium dogs, if they're playing with larger/huge dogs. Keeps them safe from both intentional and/or unintentional damage.